Okay, so I take the flag down. Now I gotta put the flag back up. Oh. Hey, man. Come on, man. Get the flag, man. Hey, get the flag, man. Yeah, you just gotta touch the bunker, man. Oh, I don't think you made it. Okay, Greek, you're up, man. You just gotta take your gun with you, man. You don't need your pistol. You just gotta touch the bunker. Hey, what are you waiting on, man? Oh, yeah, get it, kid. Oh, yeah. Oh, in the box. Get in the box. Get in the box. Greek, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Greek, what are you waiting on? Your gun broke? You don't need your gun. You just need to touch that bunker. That kid just died next to you, man.
Show me in the head.
Oh, I need to start looking at what I'm filming, huh?
Glory goes for the flag.
Yeah, glory goes for the flag. Greek. I'm about to show you how it's done, Greek. Greek, you don't need your gun, man. Just go touch the bunker. You're out anyways after you do that. So, go touch it. You don't need your pistol either. You just need to go touch that bunker that the black flag's attached to. Black flag damage. Let's go. He got a clean flag. He got a clean flag. And I'm gonna run up and I'm gonna grab it. No! Drop it yet! Yeah. Oh. Grass in my mouth. Where did my gun go? Where did my gun go? I'm gonna pull back just for gentleman's sake. Whew. Now they're gonna say, hey, you guys want to switch teams? You guys want to switch teams and do that for the other team? Chia.
Is this dead or something?
No, but we got it, dude. We got it. We did it. I think I got more fire ants on me.